अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, आई होप आप लोग सब ठीक हैं। आज इस वीडियो का हमारा मेन टॉपिक है व्हाई यू शुड डोनेट ब्लड। ये कुछ स्टार्स हैं, ये डिस्कस करूँगी आपके साथ। हु स्टार्टेड द फर्स्ट ब्लड बैंक? पहले थोड़ा हिस्ट्री देख लेते हैं। बर्नार्ड फेंटस। In 1937, Bernard Fantas, director of therapeutics at the Cook County Hospitals in Chicago, established the first hospital blood bank in the United States, in creating a hospital laboratory that preserved, refrigerated, and stored donor blood. Fantas originated the term blood bank. Why should donate blood? Blood is the most precious gift that anyone can give to another person. The gift of life, a decision to donate your blood can save a life. Every 3 seconds. Every 3 seconds, someone needs a blood transfusion. Your donation will help save the life of up to 3 people. Do remember, anyone may require blood anytime, including ourselves as well as our dear ones. Who can donate blood? Any healthy person with a weight above 45 kgs, a hemoglobin level above 15.5 grams, and an age between 80 to 65 years for Pakistan can donate blood. पाकिस्तान में बोला 65 18 to 65 years के जो हैं ह्यूमन वो ब्लड डोनेट कर सकते हैं. The person should not have had fever in last 1 week, current infections, malaria in last 3 months, jaundice in last 1 year, taken medicine in last 2 days, heart attack or other heart problems, cancers, TB, high risk behavior, AIDS, major surgery in 6 months. Facts about blood needs. More than 38,000 blood donations are needed every day. Every 2 seconds, someone in the world needs blood. The blood type most often requested by hospitals is type of O. More than 1 million new people are diagnosed with cancer each year. Many of them will need blood, sometimes daily during their treatment of chemotherapy. 1 out of 10 people admitted in a hospital needs blood. A single car accident victim can require as many as 100 pounds of blood. According to the American Red Cross, the rest is AB negative, present in 1% of the Caucasians in African American is even rare. B negative and O negative are also very rare, each counting for less than 5% of the world's population. Facts about donor. One donation can help save the life of up to 3 people. The only one reason donors say they give blood is because they want to help others. People with O type blood are universal donors. Their blood can be given to people of all blood types. If you begin donating blood at the 17 and donated every 56 days until you reach 76, you would have donated 48 gallons of blood, potentially helping save our 1,000 lives. Benefits of blood donating. Improves the heart health. Donating blood improves your overall cardiovascular health. Enhances the production of new blood cells. When blood is withdrawn, the donor's blood immediately begins to replenish the lost blood. Burns calories, reduce cancer risk, free health screening done, save lives, bringing joy to many. It is harmful to donate blood or any side effects. Sometimes people who donate blood notice a few minor side effects like nausea, lightened hands, dizzying, or fainting, but these symptoms usually go away quickly. The donor's body usually replaces the liquid part of body blood within 72 hours after giving a blood. How many times can you give blood? You must wait at least 8 weeks between donation of whole blood and 16 weeks between power red donations. Platelets afferent donors may give every 7 days up 24 times per year. Males every 3 months, female every 4 months. How much blood can be taken? Our body has 5.5 liters of blood, of which only 350 ml to 40 of blood is taken. The withdrawal blood volume is resorted within 24 hours. A hemoglobin and cell components are restored in 2 months. It is safe to donate blood every 3 months. Instruction to blood donors before blood donation: take a light refreshment food before blood donation. Drink some liquid like tea, coffee, cold drink, juice, etc. to replenish fluids. Some biscuits or snacks. One thing is clear: donating blood has many benefits to the donor as well as the recipient. So if you want to pick up a healthy habit, head over to your local blood center and give the gift of life. I hope you like this video. Khuda Hafiz.